and welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup panning, nail polish, and sometimes things happening in my real life. Today I have an update for my Pan Those Eyeshadows where I am working on 4 shadows. Yes, 4 shadows that have been randomly selected to use 25 times or hit pan, and I'm also working on finishing a previous pan that palette and trying to finish all the shadows. So if this is something you are interested in, then hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Alright, let's talk about my eyeshadows I'm panning right now. So we'll go down the list. The first one I have on my list is Chilled. This is from the Revelation Chilled palette, and the shade I have is called Plant. It is this one right here. It is a matte green, and I don't know if you can see, it does have a good dip in there. I will put a picture of what it looked like last month and what it looks like now. Hopefully I have pictures of those, and I will give you a swatch of it. There it is there. I am wearing it today. It is on my lower lash line. And as of the last update, I'd used it 15 times. Over the last month, I've used it only twice more, bringing me to 17 uses. There is a significant dip, but I don't know how much farther I will have to go to hit pan, but I am not close to my 25 uses yet. But I'm going to keep working on it because I can, and I will. Alright, next is the Galaxy Chic from BH Cosmetics. And in here I randomly selected the shade Pluto, which is this one here. It is a metallic gray with a blue lean in it. And I have it on the outer corner of my look today. And that is what it looks like there. It's sort of a blue purple silver shimmer. It's hard to describe. I always say, oh, it's gray, and then I put it on and it just has that hint of blue or the hint of purple depending on what I'm wearing it with. That comes out. So this one I have worn, at the last update I'd used it 9 times, and over the last month I've used it 3. I feel like I've used it more than that, but I only have 3 marked uses, so that's what we'll go with. So that means I have 12 uses on this, and it's a baked shadow, so I doubt I'm going to hit pan, but I am nowhere near 25 uses yet, so I'm going to keep working on that. Then we have the Hershey's Special Dark from Glamlight. This is this guy here. I am working on shade number 4 because this does not have names. But shade number 4 is this guy here, and as you can see clearly, it has a great big dip in it. I feel like I am very close to hitting pan in this, but I have not noticed a pan in it yet. I am focusing in this section right up here. Over the last month, I have used this one 4 times, and prior to that, I'd used it 7, so I have 11 uses on this. And yeah. I feel like we're probably pretty close on hitting pan in this as well, but since I have not ever hit a pan in this before, I don't know exactly how close I am or how long it's going to take me, so it might be 1 or 2 more uses, or it might be 10 more uses, who knows. So that one is staying in and getting some more love. And then finally I rolled in a new one last month. This is a single. This is from Medusa's Makeup. It is from their just a matte eyeshadow in the shade Bermuda. I cannot get it open. There we go. And that is what it looks like there. Oh, I didn't swatch the Hershey's Kisses. Let me swatch that really quick before I forget, so we get a complete color story going on. Alright, there's the Hershey's Kisses. Really pretty purple pink. I feel like I smushed it around a little bit. That's okay. Alright. And then finally, the Medusa's Makeup Bermuda. This is a blue-gray matte, and it does have quite a bit of a dip in there. And I have never hit pan in one of these, so I have no idea how close I am to hitting pan on that. And that is what that looks like down there. So these two go together quite well. I mean, they all kind of go together with anything. I do have this on in the outer corner as a base for my look underneath of the Galaxy Chic. So that one I've used 5 times since bringing in last month, so 5 total uses. So that brings me to my focus palette, which is the Marvycorn, which was my Pan That palette in 2022, I think. It was for Size Matters, and I have been working on it. This is what it's looking like now. I have a picture of what it looked like last month. And over the last month, we'll go across here. So Flotter, I've been focusing on. I've used that 7 times. I have not used this one here, Moody. I have not used Honey Bobu or K By. I did use the purple here twice. I've used Moana 3 times. I have Moana is on the inner half of my lid today. The pink Tongue Pop I've used 4 times. Oh, sorry. I've used Tongue Pop 4 times. I have not used Savage. And then these two Breakdown and Spray Tan I use in my brows every time I do my makeup. Well, that was 7 times since my last update. And I'm not focusing on any of the face products in the middle of the palette because those are all in their face products, and they're going to be in my makeup basket roulette. So yeah, I'm not using them as eyeshadows. But that is what it's looking like. I definitely have expanded the pan on Flotter and probably a little bit on Moana, and maybe I've expanded a little bit on Tongue Pop. I'm not sure. So going forward, I think the last month I've been focusing, I don't know, not on anything in particular. I've been rotating between this bluish look, a purple look. That's it, I guess. A bluish look, a purple look. So I guess I should get back to focusing on chilled, so doing more green looks and purple looks, I think. We'll see. Anyway, that is it. That is what my color palette is looking like right now. If you have any comments, suggestions, feedback, let me know down below. Otherwise, until my next video, don't forget to take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I love you no matter who or what you are. And until my next video, I just said that. Until my next one, I'll see you later. Bye!